I'd like to share a case with you guys. A lady came to see me because she'd broken a tooth on her upper right side, right in the corner of her smile, but enough that you could see that there was a missing tooth. And it was so broken that we couldn't do any restorative work to actually fix that tooth or mend it. So unfortunately, it needed an extraction. When we had to extract the tooth, of course, we went through all the relevant treatment options with regards to missing tooth, whether it's a bridge, a denture, or a dental implant. On this occasion, myself and my patient decided that a dental implant would be the best way to go. During the consultation, the patient did express to me she was also unhappy with the color of her teeth. That really signifies the importance of not really just addressing that one problem that the patient has come to see you with. It's very important for me to speak to my patient and make sure there aren't any other issues that they're unhappy with, because if we got to the end of the treatment and placed a new crown on top of a dental implant that matched her other teeth, but then she expressed to me afterwards that she does actually want her teeth to be whiter, well then we'd have to go back several steps and remedy that. So after a course of whitening treatment, we managed to get her teeth to a much better colour, a colour that she was happy with. She didn't want them extremely white, she wanted something a bit natural, and I believe we obtained that. After which we were able to place a dental implant, and as you can see, it just seamlessly blends with the rest of her teeth, and now she doesn't have a blank space in the corner of her smile anymore. She's got a really nice, naturally improved smile with all her teeth present.